Sap ascends in woody stems because of the root pressure and. See, the already it is mentioned that sap ascends in woody stems. See, the word is woody stem. This you have to concentrate, because regular plant, if you think of the smaller mesophytes and herbaceous plants, then there is no question of other pressures. Most of the time only root pressure will do, right? But sap ascends in woody stems, means thicker the trees and all. What is the other pressure along with this root pressure? First one says transpiration pull, second one says capillary force, third one says molecular adhesion, next says photosynthesis, right? So, among the four, which one is actually acting for ascent of sap in woody stems? So, you can see the diagram over here. This is one which is showing actually root pressure, explanation of root pressure it is. So, what is root pressure here? You can see the roots, actually in the cortical cells always the water will be entering into the roots normally. Then if you cut it here, that is root at the base, you cut it till here and put one cover and connect it to the glass tube. This is the way you have to identify what is the pressure from the base it is working, right. So, if you cut and put the U tube or the glass tube which is S shaped, then you can see initially water level will be till here. You can see this is the first level of water. Leave it for some time, then this water level will rise. Then this becomes, see, you can see here it is first level is just below, this is L2, this is L1, this is L2. How this water rise happened? How water increase in their level in this plant? Because there is no other pressures, because you cut at the base only. This is the stem, this is a root, just below only you have cut it. So, then there must be some pressure which is produced at the roots, that is pushing the water up. So, that is what we call it as the root pressure. So, according to Presley, the root pressure is the one which operates at the lower herbaceous plants or the small mesophytes, right. Here the root pressure is acting. So, first pressure is always root pressure, right. Then comes the question. Question says, in woody stems, apart from the root pressure, what is acting? Right. So, already just I gave it in the introduction that first up to one level the root pressure acts, but later what happens is the transpiration pull has to happen, because in aerial parts the leaves will lose water through transpiration, they suck the water. So, as we already discussed, this must not be a capillary force, it must not be a molecular adhesion, it should not be a photosynthesis, it should be a transpiration pull which is working along with root pressure in woody plants. In woody plants, see the word woody plant, in woody plants only this happens, not in the herbaceous plants. Herbaceous plants most of the time only the root pressure works. Therefore, the A option is the right option.